Hello guys, how are you all doing? So the video today is about body scrub. How to use body scrub to brighten your skin tone. Yeah, a lot of us actually don't know how to use body scrub. We have body scrubs, most of us don't have it. But how do you use it to achieve maximum benefit? How do you use it to actually get rid of hyperpigmentation? To get rid of all those dark spots and all those uneven skin tone. You can use body scrub to achieve that. You can use body scrub to get rid of all the dark spots on your skin and all the hyperpigmentation if you do it the right way. So I'm going to teach you today how to do it the right way. Now, welcome to Chikelly Beauty. My name is Chikelly and I'm a certified esthetician. Okay, and this is Chikelly Beauty. Chikelly Beauty teaches you how to look after your skin, how to keep that skin glowing. Okay, so if this is your first time coming across my channel and you want to be part of this community, you're a skincare fanatics or a lover of skincare, you want to learn how to look good. Okay, how your skin can be popping and in a good tone. Okay, hit the subscribe button and subscribe. And also, if you want to, be seeing this beautiful face all the time. Just kidding. Yeah, so hit the subscribe button and subscribe and be part of this family. And while you're subscribing, hit the notification bell as well to keep you up to date on when I upload new videos. Okay, and please, as I'm talking right now, hit the like button and like this video. Okay, at least the least you can do is to like it. The video today is about how to brighten your skin with body scrub. Okay, now what exactly does body scrub do? Body scrub helps to remove dead skin, accumulation of dead skin. And a lot of those dead skins are the result you're having those dark patches on your skin, and the result you're having all those hyperpigmentations, because our body produces melanin. Okay, and most people, whether you're producing a lot of melanin or not, every single person shades dead skin cells, and in order for the new ones to renew itself fast, you need to your body needs that assistant in order to remove those dead skin cells to allow new ones to surface. And when the new ones are surfacing, that's when people will see you and you'll say, oh, they tell you, oh, your skin is glowing, oh, you're looking nice, you're looking pretty, oh my goodness, what are you using? Those kind of things. Because if you don't scrub your skin, let me tell you now, the difference will be there. If you don't use exfoliant, the difference will be there. But we are not talking about other exfoliant today. We are talking about body scrub. Okay, now with body scrub, let me tell you the mistake most people do with body scrub. Some people over exfoliate their skin, some people don't use the body scrub well, and some people don't use it at all, and some people use it the wrong place on their body. Okay, so I'm going to take you through to what you should and shouldn't do, and then how to achieve the best with it. So now, when it comes to body scrub, okay, they call it body scrub for a reason. And the reason is because you are not supposed to use it on your face. Okay, using body scrub on your face irritates your skin, especially if you're dark skin tone. If you're a person of color, you should never, ever use body scrub on your face, because using body scrub on your face, the beads that are used to make these body scrubs, they are very strong for your face. So it's only going to cause your skin to irritate more, going to strip your skin of natural oil, and what happens? Premature aging starts, your skin gets really dry looking, and that the toning that you want to tone your skin will now turn to a nightmare. Okay, so only use body scrub on your body. Okay, only use it on your body, or especially that part that you have, your elbows and your knee, and sometimes some people have like that spots on your bum. But for me, I use it all over my body. Okay, I would have shown you people how I use it, but I don't want to be naked on social media. I don't want to be naked on social media. I'm not a fan of sleeveless because of my faith. I don't wear sleeveless anymore. So I'm going to tell you then, if you have pen and paper, get your pen and paper and start writing. Okay, the first thing is body scrub should always be used on a wet skin. Now, in the shower, okay, I have two types of body scrub here. This one, as you can see, is almost finished. This one I made it by myself. Yes, I make my own body scrub. I make my own body scrub. And sometimes when I'm lazy to make, I go and I get one. But I hardly buy it. I hardly buy it. Okay. Now, in order to make your own body scrub, you need natural ingredients, which you can get in I usually buy them in the more like sometimes I get some of the ingredients in the supermarket. Sometimes I get them in most of all these places that sell natural products, because I like organic and natural products, 100% natural, when I'm making my skincare. I don't like to buy the ones that has all the preservatives and parabens and silicone. I don't want fragrances. I don't want it on my skin. Okay, so I make this body scrub. If you watch this video here, I gave the ingredients on my live streaming. But if you want me to show you how I achieved this, drop a comment below in the comment section, and I will list out the ingredients. I will make this body scrub the video so that all of you will now know how to make it. Okay, so this one on its own, as you can see, the texture. Body scrubs are usually strong because most of them are like sugar, caramel, and sorry, not caramel, oatmeal. This is the one I make myself. See, this is what it looks like. Okay, and it's very nice. I've got my hands dirty because of you guys. But anyway, it's fine. So yeah, so you use it on a wet skin. So you wet your skin first, okay? And first of all, you have your shower, right? Yeah, so when you get in the shower, you wash yourself with your soap or your shower gel or whichever it is that you're using first, okay? When you finish, then you now apply your body scrub all over your body on a wet skin. Please don't use it on a dry skin, except is the kind of scrub that if is indicated on the instructions and directions of the product, not to use it on a wet skin. That's the only way, but hardly you see that. So you apply it on a wet skin and you scrub your skin with it for about at least 4 to 5 minutes. Scrub it all over. You scrub on a circular motion. You scrub on a circular motion. Be vigorous a little bit hard, but not too hard, because you don't want to peel your skin out. So be vigorous. Okay, so let's say I use this particular one. Okay, so you put it on your skin and you scrub on a circular motion. See the way I'm doing it? You scrub it on a circular motion. Okay, and scrub and scrub and scrub. You see, as you're scrubbing, going around, you're scrubbing. That's how you do it. You do it all over your body. Okay, so you do it all over your body, and then you for about 4 or 5 minutes. So at least make sure that you've reached every single part of your body, and then you rinse it off. That is your body scrub done. Okay, you wash it off with warm water. Don't wash it off with cold water. Wash it off with warm water. And when you wash it off, you come out. Don't dry your skin. Okay, don't dry your skin. Leave your skin wet, and then put your moisturizer and your body oil after. Your body oil follows after your moisturizer. Okay, now there are different kinds of body scrub. Like I showed you, there are types of body scrub depending on the one that is suitable, that you like. And most of them, it depends also on your skin. If your skin is very sensitive, then use like the oatmeal that are not too strong, because the sugar body scrub can be a little bit too hard on your skin. Okay, that is how to use your body scrub. And I tell you, you use it like 3 to 4 times a week. I use mine 4 times a week, and I use mine mainly at night. Or if I'm not going out during the daytime, I use it, because sometimes when you use body scrub and your skin can be a bit red, because you see, it improves circulation. As you're scrubbing, is improving circulation, oxygen level is going down, going up, and what happens then? Your cell renewal process goes faster, and your skin will start glowing. All the dark spots will start clearing. All the hyperpigmentations will start clearing, and you will begin to notice a huge difference on your skin. And let me tell you, it doesn't really matter what kind of body scrub you use, whether you use the brightness scrub, sugar scrub, oatmeal scrub, salt scrub. It doesn't matter, as long as you use it the right way, which is on a wet skin. Scrub for about 4 to 5 minutes, come out and apply your moisturizer, and then apply your body oil afterwards. Okay, always use your body oil afterwards. And you want to be, reason is because you want to lock in that moisture on your skin. You want to see your skin to glow. This is my body oil here. This is my almond oil. I use it all the time on my skin. Every time I apply my moisturizer, I put my almond oil afterwards, and that skin will start doing what? Popping. Okay, my favorite people, thank you so much for watching. I hope you've liked, you've subscribed, and please help me share. Okay, I look forward to seeing you in my next video. Mwah.